Navigating this Dyson upright vacuum cleaner throughout your home is simple thanks to the intuitive ball design. Weave past furniture and other obstacles with ease. You get a versatile performance that's capable of cleaning both hard floors and carpets, ensuring that every part of your floor is spotless, with perfect results on any surface. Variable suction control gives you 3 different modes to choose from to tackle dust and debris depending on its quantity and stubbornness. Perfect for homes with pets, even embedded animal fur can be captured to leave your home looking spotless. Epicyclic drive technology provides a powerful performance for deeper cleaning across all floors, capturing even the finest dust, dander and dirt so you can be sure that your home is truly clean. Hard to reach areas can be cleaned with ease thanks to the articulated wand handle on this upright vacuum cleaner from Dyson.